We're going to do a brief video on NIO stock analysis, and we've got a daily chart here of NIO for you. It's got a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, a 200-day moving average in blue. NIO is currently down 22% today. It's down $2.56, trading right now at $8.64. It's got volume of 58 million shares on average volume of 44 million shares, and it's not even 10:30 yet. So there's a lot going on with NIO today. Let's take a really quick look at it. As you can see, NIO has sold down here today. Today's the 24th. It's put in a low of $8.95 so far, a high of $10.03. It's down on this chart 2%, but it's exceeded that. It's down now over 2.5% in live trading. We can take a look at NIO and see it's been in a bear market since at least November of 2021. It's come all the way across here, put in a bottom back here in May 12th of 2022, and now has come across and bounced hard into this 200-day moving average and just been destroyed by it. So NIO is technically in a horrible place. Let's take a look real quick at the weekly chart. I don't want to sound negative, but if you take a look at this chart, here's your major support right here at $11.67 back in May, and it blew right through that. So again, this is a weekly chart, and to see a weekly chart that's this negative is never good. Its next support down here for this stock is approximately right here at about $2.11. So there's a tiny little bit of support right here at $10.46, but it broke through that. So our technical analysis of this is that this stock is headed much lower. I don't do anything with the fundamentals. I'm not sure what's going on fundamentally with this stock, but from a technical perspective, you can see this little blue line right here is a 200-week moving average. It's below that. It's 20-week moving average in red, 5-week moving average in green, and you can see it's just blown through all that. Let's go and take a look real quick. Here's the monthly. This is the 5-month in green and a 20-month moving average in red, and you can see there's no support for this stock until you get down, as we said earlier. Right, this particular stock shows stock down at below $1, but we could call this right here, this $2.11, the next reasonable level for support. Do I think it's going there? No, I don't think that right this second. But let's take a quick look at the hourly chart and get some idea what's going on today. If we take a look at this chart, we can see on September 20th, this stock broke through this. Now we're looking at hourly, 200-hour moving average. It broke through it, and it stayed below it all the way through. So it's down for more than a month. It's been below. You can see that typically a stock will oscillate around a 200-day moving average, and you do get it to go up and so forth for periods of time, and also below. It's not a complete disaster. But this stock, as you can see, this is a major bear market on the hourly chart. That means there's really nobody, even short-term players, willing to step up and buy the stock. And particularly if you look here from September 29th, the entire month of October, nobody, with very few exceptions right here, for example, no one has stepped up to buy this stock in its decline, meaning no one thought this stock was cheap when it was at 15 and dropped to roughly, let's call it 11.82. Some people stepped up and said, hey, it's cheap, but it didn't work, and it sold off immediately. So this might very well have just been short covering. So there's several things going on here. The first thing is it isn't a bear market, but the second thing is it's not distributing. It's just flat selling off. So that's a very negative thing for this stock. How low is it going to go? It's really difficult to say. I'm not going to stand here and say that it's going to go down and test $2 because I think that's ridiculous. But barring something coming up on this stock, I don't see any support area here. So I really can't make a reasonable analysis. I can tell you by looking at this daily chart, the stock's severely oversold and due for a rally. That doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it is severely oversold. So my best guess is that we're going to see a rally here, probably not more, than a few dollars, but maybe $4. But I'm not predicting that. I'm just saying from a technical perspective, this stock is ready for a rally. It's oversold. So as long as there's not some crazy fundamental thing going on with this stock, and I'm not aware of any, I don't follow the fundamentals at all. But from a technical perspective, the stock's due for a rally, but I'm not predicting that. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it. We put out 190 stocks every morning before 7 a.m. This is for the 24th today, October 24th. And you can see for NIO, we have no entry prices on here today, which is true for a lot of stocks today. And it's a good thing because NIO is down now approaching 25%. We put these out every morning before 7 a.m., 1, 5, 20-day hold periods. We also put out trend following systems for a handful of stocks. There's some entry prices here for the S&P 500 and about 10 stocks or so, the majors, Apple, Tesla, Ford, and so forth, and they're 30-day holds on a trend following system. You can get access to all of these and a whole lot more at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. There's a link in the description below. Just follow that link to rbamresearch.com and get access to the 190 stocks, major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all updated before 7 a.m. every morning. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use our entry prices or commentary for anything but entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have any comments for us, we'd love to hear them in the comments section below.